Hey everybody, it's 36 minutes past 3 p.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 12th of July, and I am looking to pick up a fight with Euro Yen. So I want to start with the higher time frame and I'll go into the monthly, and we can see the monthly is in a very nice uptrend. Now, I've marked here a couple of levels. I want to draw your attention to this peak line. It's the high of this bullish rejection candle. And if I'll zoom out, we can see it was also this week over here, the last place that the buyers pushed higher. So a nice and interesting level on this market, and we will get to it as we drill down the lower time frame. Now, from the monthly chart, we can see, oops, go back there, we can see we are in an uptrend and we were very overextended, meaning there was a strong distance between where the price action was sitting and its moving averages, do a pullback, which is what we have right now. So I like this a lot. Now, let's take a look here on the weekly chart, and we can see that the weekly is also in an uptrend, and this is that line. There were 2 weeks of selling, and I like that. There was basically a bearish candle and already a break below it. So looking very nice on the weekly chart as well, a little bit of consolidation and a very strong bullish candle breaking through that level. Currently in the process of pulling back. Now, if and when we'll get to this area, we'll also be about 50% pullback of this major move. Looking at the momentum indicators, they're also looking rather bullish. Now, drilling down into the daily, and what we can see, this area is basically the last place that the sellers pushed lower. So as we can see, we made a lower low over here. And I like this scenario. I want to show you an example of this in the work. So that would be the pound US. And as you remember, we had a fight card about pound US, and I was looking for an area around here. So back into this area, and I was looking for a push higher. But I want to draw your attention into this area. So this is the last place that the sellers were in control. We had a bearish candle and a follow through. So the last place that the seller pushed lower. And if we'll take a look here on the 4 hours, we can see that there was a push and then a second push, quite similar to what we've got there on Euro Yen, only on the higher time frame. We cleared that area and then we pull back straight into it to test it from above. So I'm looking for similar scenario here on Euro Yen. So let me go back into the daily. So we can see currently in the process of pulling back, and this is the area that I'm looking for that reaction. So I like this fact that we have a push and a second push, that we push to a lower low, and that overall this market is in an uptrend. So to summarize, I am looking to start my offense around this pink line, and I am looking for a point win underneath this low, so around the 154, 153.90. And for the knockout, let's take the purple, I'm looking around here around the 155.5 to 156 area. And as always, I am looking to move my defense even when this one will progress, and if there is a strong buying momentum, then I will also push up my knockout line toward that 157. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.